Hello guys, here is Reno Teku, the founder and the owner of Marketing Solutions. I founded with Paul, and today basically what we'll be sharing today is how to make money with M Global. M Global is a multi-level marketing company, and today I'll be showing you some of the steps that I've used to recruit more than 100 people with M Global. And if you have looked at my other videos, you're going to see my review about M Global. You're going to see my accounts and stuffs like that. So I want to be showing you some practical ways of making money with M Global, how you can recruit people, because recruiting in marketing, network marketing, gives you more money. So what I want you to take note is I'll be talking about practical steps. I'll basically be showing you how to create a Facebook group, because this is something that people don't consider, but you need a Facebook group where you can drive constant traffic. You have to share opportunity in various Facebook groups to make sure that there are ads. You need a website where you offer value related to your activity. You connect with other network marketers. You attend conventions, and you recruit people, make people to trust you, sell products, visit shops in your area, make Facebook lives, advertise on video. So I'm going to be starting with the first one, that is how to create a Facebook group. The reason why you need a Facebook group is this is what I call free traffic, because from Facebook you get a lot of people. If you have a Facebook group, I'm going to show you an example of a group that Paul and I created, and is Marketing Solutions. Here is what happened when you basically have a Facebook group. This is a closed group. There are 46 members for now. This is a group we created recently, and it's a group that has to do with our website. You can check the website here. So what we do here is anytime that we post something on our website, we share it in our group. We also share valuable information. We inspire people through our post. We write a lot of things, and you see, people get to see it. These people that see it, the more you do that, the more you are constant in posting these things, the more you get people to view what you're talking about, and the more you're building authority. And this is actually a gradual process. Every day, if you do that, if you're constant, you're consistent, you will definitely make people to trust you. And if people get to trust you, they're going to buy from you. This is something that you might want to consider. And with MLM, I'll advise everybody to have a group. If you have a Facebook, create something. One of the ways that you can drive traffic to your group from other groups is, let's say you type South Africa, free ads. Free ads here is advertising. If a group where you can advertise for free. So if I click into this group, if you click here, I can join the group South Africa free ads. If I join the group, I'm not yet a member, or Paul is not yet a member, you see some of the conditions, you see the members in the group, you see a lot of people posting in these groups, you understand? And they're posting, you see somebody just posted about I Am Global. He made this post. He posted about I Am Global. People do what they call free advertising. You're seeing, this is a post that he made. Obviously, people get to see this. People could contact him. He could also redirect this post if he adds a link to his group. Like, that's what we used to do. We used to redirect, like, the people who would just say, if you're interested in this opportunity, okay, then feel free to click the link below, a call to action, click the link below to get to join our group, so that we'll share more about what the opportunity is. People are more likely to click the link and join your group. When they join your group, then they're already members of your group. You have the upper hand. You can do what you want to do. You post the things that you want to post that is related, that is concerning your group. And this is definitely one of the things that you want to consider having. Another thing that I really like to share with you, I'll go now to start a website and offer value related to your activity. See guys, this is something that most people forget. If you're wanting to build a network marketing, if you're wanting to really be someone that is influential in network marketing, people have to trust you. When we started this business, people were not trusting us. Imagine you just stand in front of a client, okay, this is my opportunity. How are you adding value to that person's life? People have to trust what you're saying, and this is definitely what you want to do. You see, with a website, you even have people contacting you far and near. I've actually made a review about AIM Global where I tell people here, if AIM Global is an opportunity, is a good MLM company, I share it. When somebody goes to Google, because this is why I always emphasize on people making sure that you have you have a website that is up and running. With the website, when somebody types here, AIM Global Review, AIM Global Review, sorry, let me be fast. AIM Global Review. I appear on the first page of Google. I would like to translate this into English definitely, because I don't understand German. So the person gets, my article has been ranked on the first page of Google. So you click here and you go to my website. This is also the website, and you can go here to the same website, where you get now to see people get to reach you better. I don't know if you guys are getting. So having a website is definitely something that you might be wanting to consider. I've explained everything concerning IM Global. I've gotten some engagement from the post. People are commenting. Guys, this is one of the most thorough review I've seen about IM Global. You see, this is something that you should consider having. A lot of people, they don't think about that, but please, if you're starting, this is something you want to have. Connect with network marketers. Attend conventions. See, there are various ways that you can connect with network marketers. Facebook alone, you can get network marketers. There should be a group like that. Network marketers. You have to just connect with network marketers. Connect with network marketers far and near. You can go to the group section. By connecting with these people, you understanding, you ask to join their group. What you basically learn here is you learn some little you learn some things about your business. You can also get exposure for your business. Which company are you in? What are you doing? You might also want to consider connecting with these people. They are obviously going to help you a lot. So please guys, this is something that you might want to consider. Another thing that I really want you to take note as is attend conventions. There are a lot of conventions that you can attend in your home area that helps you to connect with more people. The whole issue is just about you connecting. Recruit people, make people to trust you, sell products, visit shops in your area, and make Facebook Live. Facebook has an option for Facebook Lives where you can get to basically, you can make Facebook Live, this live video, you share with people. You can share things about your company, like, okay, is there something new about your company that you feel that people should learn? Is there any success story? People love success stories, guys. So if you could share this thing, and please, one thing that I would like to point here is, don't make Facebook to be your sales page. I mean, your Facebook profile to be your sales page. I see a lot of people everywhere that just posting about AIM Global, and it's not good. I'm actually against that. What you should do is, you should try to offer value to people. Post once in a while and offer value. Some people don't even post. Like me, you will never see me. I used to do that. and you will never see me just posting anything on my Facebook. This is Paul's profile. You will never see anything related to him. Even if you go to his timeline, if you're supposed to go to his timeline, you'll never see anything that concerns that. Maybe before here we used to do that, but now we don't do that again. You will see you will never see things relating Facebook or something, aim global or something. This is something that you might want to consider. What we do is that we inspire people, we share content, we love every other thing apart from doing what people usually do. So that is something that you might want to consider. Offer value. Never forget, the whole issue is about you connecting with people, building trust and authority in what you're doing. And I can guarantee you that that's a form of attraction marketing. And many people with time, many people are just going to contact you and say, okay guy, what do you have? I've seen your post, I'm interested, could I learn more? This is something that you might want to do. So I wish you guys the best as you're making money in global. You can comment below. I'm here to help you. It doesn't matter where, if you're under which person, that's not my business. I'm just going to help you. I've also seen a lot of people refusing to share how they market their opportunity with IM Global because you're not under their network. That is not something that we do. You can go through our YouTube videos, connect on our website, contact us on Facebook, and we'll be willing to help you for free. Thank you guys.